tight hockey game. Just didn't make one more play. They made just one more that, gave them obviously the 2-1 advantage. So guys competed. It's just, it's hard to explain. It's obviously frustrating. Hard to fathom still. Especially the opportunities we had these last two games.
Yeah, I mean, it's tough to find words, But I just told them I had lots of reasons to be proud, of the work that they did this season that put us in a position to even play in this game tonight against an opponent like that. So lots of reasons to be proud, yet lots of reasons to be devastated and upset. Feel good about the effort that they put forth and that they gave us everything that they had. Yet you come up short, and we're in the winning business, and we didn't get it done.
Got to make sure everyone just, whenever they go home to the summertime, make sure that come back as a better team, strength-wise, faster, quicker. We're getting sick and tired of feeling like this, so we got to make sure we're ready for this upcoming season.
Yeah, I mean, it's it's a game of inches, and unfortunately we're on the bad side of things tonight, and yeah, it's really frustrating. It's really disappointing. But like you said, I thought every guy in there competed and gave it their all. Ultimately, they made one more play than us, and they were able to win the game, obviously. So
it's not right now, because the feeling is the same, the outcome is the same. Whether or not there's differences or more positives or whatever, it's going to take some time to figure that out. Ultimately, the outcome is the same, which is very disappointing. So, we'll break it down further, but right now, no.